How to replace your split internal hose on your Vax Blade vacuum cleaner. Today I'm not only going to talk you through this step by step, but I'm also going to show you where it can go wrong too, so you learn from my years of experience and you get your repair right the first time. The ideal toolkit you're going to need for this repair is a cross-headed screwdriver, some kind of cloth, some kind of glue which I'll talk about later, a pair of long nose pliers if you have them, and also a hairdryer comes in handy too. Again, I'll show you why later. I'm going to be using this stretchy type of hose today, which not only makes the repair easier, but it also makes it last longer too. If you need one of those, the link is in the description, but let's get on with repairing. On the stem of the floor tool you have 5 screws, 2 here, and then there's 3 on the cover here where it pivots. If you remove all of those screws, and then the cover over the pivot area will just lift off. Now we just need to pull this connector out of the way. Now when you do this, it might actually just ping and fly into pieces. So I'm going to show you how this all fits together now in case that happens. Okay, so the pins sit this way round. So as we're looking at it, the red is on the right, and that's how the pins sit, and then the cover goes back on it this way. If you get the wires the wrong way round, there'll just be no power to the floor tool when you connect it again later. But anyway, on with the show. The top bit on the hose won't just pull out easily if you've got your old hose on it, unless it's totally wrecked. So we're just going to ignore that bit for now, and we're going to go down where my split is, and we're going to get my long nose pliers, and we're just going to pull away at the metal coil, okay? It doesn't matter if we make a mess because it's damaged anyway. Please watch your eyes too. These coils can fling about anywhere. It's always best to wear some goggles. Hang on a minute, you go swimming in goggles, don't you? I mean like safety glasses, you know what I mean. Once you've removed all of that, you can just pull the old hose out, and we're just going to put that to one side for now. But you will be left with some plastic on the inside of the floor tool. Now get your hairdryer, just heat it up for about 30 seconds, and then with your long nose pliers, the plastic will just pull out really easily. And then just get a little dab of glue and put it on the inside thread. Now I'm using this JB Weld plastic bonder because I have it here, and basically I use it for everything. But if you just use any strong contact adhesive or epoxy resin, that will be fine for this repair. Now get your new hose, and we are screwing it in anti-clockwise. That is so important. If you do it clockwise, it will just keep coming out. It's not going to happen. So anti-clockwise is the way you need to screw it. Now this part isn't a walk in the park, but it will eventually grip and your hose will just screw in nicely. Just have a little patience. Once the hose is secure, we're then going to feed it through the stem, and we need to put the top back on it. Now the top part is still on our old hose. That just screws off nice and easy, and then put a little glue on the inside of that. It won't hurt, and we're screwing it on anti-clockwise again onto the new hose. Now when we fit this top bit back into the stem, it goes a certain way, so you might just have to unscrew it and screw it until it all lines up. Then just push the top bit into the stem, and we're going to replace the 2 screws that hold that in place. Once that's all secured, we can just make sure we focus on this plug and getting it the right way round. The little hole needs to be facing up, it just pushes in, and then just double check, looking at it from this way, that the red wire is on the right. Then just simply replace the cover and do up the 3 screws that you took out earlier. And that is it, your hose repair is complete and you can get back to vacuuming again. Thank you for watching, and YouTube has chosen this next video for you. Also, a quick mention, my wonderful wife has just released her first ever murder mystery novel, and we would be delighted if you would go to her website, jadegrafton.com, to receive your free sample.